What else do I need? I make a list of everything I need, get it there, put it there. And then I get the people to put it in. The way, I make my money is the movement of money. So my thing is, how can I get better today? So I look at what happened yesterday, and then how can I move forward and scale? Some years I made over $1 million because I was really aggressive and really motivated and stuff like that. So, I do right, and I try to live right, and I try to stay focused on the fact that he's watching me, and he's my accountability and no human.